Welcome to Season 2. This is an entertainment channel, not a how-to channel. I'm still new to turning, so if you see something, say something in the comments below. Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm making a spider cane walking stick, utilizing this piece of off-cut Etimoe as a handle. So this will be the handle. And then this piece of oak as the cane. Now, of course, I can't fit this on the lathe, it's too long, but that's all right because we're gonna make a spider leg by cutting this into sections and then tapering it down so it kind of looks like the different segments of a spider leg. And then we'll darken it up and we'll put this on top, and yeah, that's the idea anyway. So that's the plan. Let's get started, see how it turns out.
It's a rainy night coming late out of the dojo. No lights, dark out on the parking lot. Looking for my car, thought I left it here before. Get a feeling that something ain't right. Moving shadows, hear the sound of 2 feet. See my car, where my keys, kinda getting spooky. Oh God, now it's coming from behind. My cell is gone dead as I slowly turn around and suddenly monsters all around me. All I see, 100 ninja zombies. Suddenly monsters all around me. They don't know I'm swinging like Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee, Bruce Lee, Bruce Lee. My heart's beating fast now, I'm about to pass out. Suddenly my brain's letting go and I laugh out loud as my elbows crash into an eyebrow. Thinking what the hell, I'm gonna make it somehow. Run into a closed liquor store, break the window. Grab a bottle of gin, take a swig, oh no. Stepping on a slimy lump and no, they're lurking in the shadows. Suddenly, monsters all around me. All I see, 100 ninja zombies. Suddenly, monsters all around me. They don't know when I'm swinging like Bruce Lee. Suddenly, monsters all around me. All I see, 100 ninja zombies. Suddenly, monsters all around me. They don't know that I got it down to an art. Technique is surgical. I'm deadlier than ever. Their status critical. It's just a matter of time. A matter of time. 1, 2, 3 o'clock. Grab my nunchucks, 5, 6 knee kicks. Practice on bricks, heads to the left, heads to the right. Oh, round kicks flying as I fall to the floor. 1, 2, 3 o'clock. Grab my nunchucks, 5, 6 knee kicks. Practice on bricks, heads to the left, heads to the right. Suddenly, monsters all around me. All I see, 100 ninja zombies. Suddenly, monsters all around me.
There it is, filling the screen from one end to the other. Let's take a closer look at some of the finer features of the walking cane, as well as what it looks like right up next to my hip here. Let's start at the bottom like we always do. I have a bottle stopper as a cane tip for this, well, cane. I thought this would kind of protect the bottom, and yeah, it works out pretty well. As far as the spider leg itself is concerned, we have the first segment of the spider leg, followed by the second segment and the third segment. The oak darkened with burning it, and then having covered it in lacquer just to protect it and give it the shine. I used the spray lacquer, which you can actually see right there in the background. I use that outside because, boy, it's a stinky thing. If you don't have good ventilation, I highly recommend spraying it outside. As far as the top, though, is concerned, we have a spider encased in resin. This I got from, like, I don't know, a dollar store or something. I don't remember. It wasn't but a couple bucks. And that's when the idea came to me that to make a cane with this in it. And the handle, the top piece, is nice. It's got nice tapered side to it, so you can really grab a hold of if you need to or is necessary. You can also use it as a club. Whack! But yeah, solid. So that should conclude our Halloween themed projects for October. I think this project turned out really well. I liked it. There's no way I can get this in frame, I don't think. Oh, there you go. Right about there. I can get the whole thing in frame. Whether it's this way or that way. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, this was a cool project. I really liked it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, consider hitting that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and that notification bell. Thank you very much for giving me a turn on your screen, and we'll see you next week. Oh, that's almost there. It's a little wider even. Just a little wider. Get it out there just a little bit more. It's like, how much wider does it need to be? We're just gonna creep up on it, of course. Creeping up on it means we probably went a little too far, because that's how it goes, you know? See? Son of a...
Watch your profanity.
Okay. That texturing is actually kind of really cool. It kind of looks like the little fibers on... I don't know how well that's going to turn out. Let's find out. It's not bad. I wonder if I can make more of it. I think it looks better rough. I think it'll look a lot better when it's roughed out. I really do. Alright, I'm making it rough. To hell with it. I'm making this rough. Really good. I like this. Alright, let's take a look. Take a closer look at it. Oh, next week. I think this is out of focus. Let me focus this. Let me refocus this. Wow, I can beat somebody with this. On the bottom section and the very tip of the bottom. Yes. Wow. Do some combat. Oh. Spider cane.
Do I have a mark on my face? It really hurts.
Nope, nothing. I thought I hit you on the shoulder.
My shoulder doesn't hurt very much, but my face does. Right here. Not here or here so much, but right here.